Hello, welcome to Angular Step by Step course. Today we will discuss about the HTTP client module using services. Uh, Earlier we have discussed about the services which are used to transfer the data with the different components. So here there is, if there is any relation between the components, it will also work. Sometimes we are using input and output decorator for the relation components. So if there is no relation between the any components, you can use the services by using the HTTP client module. Here services are used to call APIs to use the data. So here we can see an example with that. I have created one add user comp services here. I have added this in the app module.ts file. Here you can see HTTP client module I have imported and have provided this imports HTTP client module. So in the add services, I have initialized the constructor. In the constructor, I need to give some HTTP client. Why? Because if you want to use this HTTP client module, you need to inject into the constructor. That is an dependency injection purpose. And after I have given this method get data. In the get data method, here you can see observable. It will be used for subscription of that services. So if you want to inject into some other components, it will be used to subscribe the data there. So because of that reason we are using this observable here. In this get data method, I have called some API here by using the get method. This dot http dot get used to request an API from services to other API calls. So here we are using HTTP. This is the API. You can see here. I have used this API. This API will call by using this URL. I have copied this and I have pasted this here, and after that we need to go through the app component.ts file. Here also we need to inject this constructor with HTTP client. Sorry, we need to inject this here. We have already done, right? So we need to inject services here. uh, Add service, add service with so you can provide this here. So I have imported this one also, then I can use this here. I'm implementing ng on it. I'm implementing ng on this dot http dot. I'm using this method, right? So I'm this dot add service dot get data. Get data method dot subscribe. You need to subscribe for that subscription. You have to provide response. So it will be coming from that API. You need to store that in the store data. This stored data equal to response. So you need to give the data here any, then it will be reflected into that app component.html file. Here I'm giving something like order list. In the order list I'm giving li. So in li I'm giving ng4 for retrieving ng4. In ng4 I'm giving let item of data. Why? Because we are taking the data, right? So here I'm giving, and you can provide doubly curly braces item dot price, item dot price. I want to show this. You can see here now has any, so response should be any, and parameter responsibilities. Okay. Uh, and get that so account get data is not reflected. Response any, so it will be clear one, I think so. So some other one, then you can see item of data, item of price. Yeah, you can see here it's showing the data. If you want to display the IDs, how can I you can see here ID title. If you want to ID title, you can do like this: price, images. If you want to if you want to if you want to give an ID here, if you want to give an ID, you can. Here you can see IDs and names. Which type of names title? Sorry, I'm saying title, right? If I provide title, it will show, yeah, price, ID, title. So you can display whatever you want. You can take the data from there. So that is an example of HTTP client module here. Later we will discuss about the other request like put post and some other delete, so we can use this in some other classes also. So I hope you understand well. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.